Hello, is the lady of the house there?
I'm the lady of the house.
Okay, and just so you know, this is Andrea Frescas calling on behalf of the Breast Cancer Financial Assistance Fund. It's headquartered in Knoxville, Tennessee. And I'm with Corporations for Character, and the reason for my call is they just kicked off their new fund drive to help those that are struggling to fight breast cancer. And aside from fundraising costs, the association provides direct financial aid to cancer patients in need. And so we wanted to make sure that when you receive your pledge kit, could these patients count on your support with a little something? Is that okay?
Well, according to my research, your, quote, charity, unquote, is one of the worst ones in the country.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything over the phone. So tell you what we'll do is we'll send an information pledge letter in the mail, and obviously to help project campaign budget.
Are you a human being or a computer? Are you a human being or a computer?
Person, but I'm using a computer for quality control purposes.
Please be aware this conversation is being recorded for my quality control purposes. Are you aware of that?
Okay. Yeah, I was just asking, would the $25 work for you?
I think $26 would work even better. What do you think?
Could you say that again?
You say that again. Is your name Liza? And if not, why not?
Corporations for Character, calling on behalf of the Breast Cancer Financial Assistance Fund. My name is Andrea Frescas. I'm calling from Murray, Utah.
A minute ago, you were calling from Tennessee. Have you moved quickly to Utah? How is Utah this time of year? Is it better than Tennessee?
I'm so sorry. I can't understand what you're saying, and I can't hear you very well, so I've muted your side of the call. So if I'm talking over you, I'm so sorry. But please call back for a live customer service agent if you want to by calling the number that we called you from. And they can answer any questions, or our toll-free number is 1-855-552-8455. Again, I can't hear you, so call back if you want to. Thanks. Bye-bye.